Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to M.Shakir. Today we are again inserting another input control of location. As we know, we also have the location dimension also, and if we want to use the input control for restricting the location data, so we have to use the location input control. So let's insert it. Click on the input control and then click on the dimension and then click on the location. Here and all the available data, all the available members of location is now displaying. If we want to exclude some location, we can only check our required location, and if we want to use all the location, to click on the all member button, click on the OK button. Now we have the new input control, and now we can change its size very easily. Here it is. Now we can also change its size according to our dashboard space. As we have only 3 locations, we can arrange it like this. And also, if we don't want to apply selection by clicking the apply selection button, we just have to go to the show hide option and then click on the apply selection button. So after using this, the data of if we change the criteria of the input control, it will automatically apply to our chart. So let's check it out. The value of the product has been changed to 1.38 and 1.05 and 0.055. It means we have the gross margin of 1.38 million of product juices in the first half of 2014 at the location Nevada. Let's increase some at the location of California also. Now if you see, the value of the chart has also been changed. Now it's increased to 16.6 million at the location California and Nevada at the same parameter. And if I also increase or also add the another location origin, now it's moved to the 16.6 million to 21.16 million. It means all the locations gross margin is 21.16 million. So as you see, all the things, all the input control are very important and are very catchy, and it's make our data very simple and understandable to the user. So input controls are played very important role for displaying the data of dashboard and for the understanding of our user perspective. Let's select all the product and let's check it out only on the location California. Here it is. Now we have the California's gross margin with respect to all product. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, do click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and so then you can find or you can get more informative video in my from my channel. Let's meet into another new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.